today I'm going to teach you actually a really quick trick. So using gels in the studio, let me go and get a gel. We have loads of these gels. Please just make sure that the plastic cover on an unused one is taken off, otherwise it will just like burn. So doing this, like how do you attach it? Best thing to do, we try and keep them on there all the time actually, is a bulldog clip on the edge here. You place this over the top. Oh, this one's got a bit bent. Oh dear. And then little magnets holds it in place. But Jess, my resident photographer slash studio manager at the Space, she taught me that. So yeah, good little trick for you guys.